ready to unlock the full potential of your crypto on Solana. Let's dive into a comprehensive guide on navigating the Phantom wallet. First, let's take a look at the wallet's main screen here. You'll find your portfolio overview, displaying the balances of your Solana tokens and NFTs. Notice how each asset is clearly listed, making it easy to track your holdings. Now click the Collectibles tab at the bottom. This section showcases all your Solana-based NFTs, beautifully organized and easy to browse like a digital art gallery. See the central button at the bottom. Tapping it reveals options to deposit, send, or swap tokens. Select Send to transfer tokens to another wallet, and type the recipient address and the amount of SOL you want to transfer. The swap function allows you to exchange one token for another directly within the wallet. Choose the tokens you want to trade and confirm the transaction to execute the swap within seconds. Tap the browser icon at the bottom right to access decentralized applications right from your wallet. This built-in browser makes it super simple to interact with the Solana ecosystem. To adjust security settings, tap the gear icon to access additional features and customization options. The settings menu provides full control over your wallet, enabling adjustments such as setting up a new secret recovery phrase and reviewing transaction history. Dive deeper into your transaction using the transaction history available in the wallet, where you can review details of past transactions, helping you monitor your digital asset movements.